Hi, it's back for another cooking adventure. So it's Friday night and I had this plan to make some delicious shrimp thing or langoustine thing. And I was talking to my book cover editor, cover design person in New York, and I was planning on the Fabienne.com website and the new leverage book and all this stuff. And I looked at the clock and it's 7:15 and I gotta make food for my little people. So we are going to plan B, which is pasta. But I'm not doing pasta sauce from a jar. We don't do that. So I'm going to make them, my family, one of the best pasta sauces that they love. And this is secret ingredient. You're gonna freak out at first, but then you're gonna love it. These are shallots in olive oil with about 4 or 5 anchovies. I know, but wait till you taste this. So this is passata, which is basically, what do you say, like ground tomato sauce, super good. And I put a whole jar of that in there. And we're gonna turn this around. And the reason I put the anchovies is even if you don't like anchovies, you won't taste them in the sauce, a little water, because that's how you do things. What it does is it brings an umami flavor. And even if you don't like anchovies, you won't recognize what's going on in there. I am going to hold up, what do you think of my apron? Quite 1950s housewife, right? I am going to put sardines, fillet of sardines in there. I know, you don't expect that either. And we're gonna put lots of garlic and finely shredded on my microplane grater. As you know, this is my favorite tool. And then I brought back this Sicilian oregano from Palermo. So what just happened, the reason the video cut off is that it's Derek. Say hi, Derek.
Hi.
Derek's alarm for us to go outside and clap for the workers, the healthcare workers and all of that just went off. So Sicilian oregano is going in here, and this is going to be so ridiculously delicious, and like 10 minutes, about as long as it takes for the pasta to water to cook my pasta. So anyway, this is all combobulated. This is after a full day at the office, making epic things happen, and yet we're still going to have a delicious meal. I want to know what you're making tonight. I really do. Can you post it in the comments? I want you to teach me something so that I can bring it to my family. All right, we gotta go clap. Mwah, lots of love. What do you think, Robbie? Just this.